Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert, and today I'm going to show you really quick how you can actually go ahead and use the EcoCast function to actually go ahead and connect two of the speakers together.
Your phone is connected.
Oh my gosh, take it easy, take it easy. All right. So, sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you really quick how to use this function that will allow you to pair up to 50 speakers that have the same function at the same time. So if you wanna maybe grab 50 EcoJourneys or 50 Soul Jams or sound bars or the Boulder Max, you can actually go ahead and pair them together, go into the woods and do a rave with the party lights, and basically it will be a huge deal. So if you guys want to do that, I'll show you exactly how to use the EcoCast function. The button looks like a little sun, and in order for them to be compatible between each other, you need to make sure that they all have the same button. So this one on the EcoJourney, you guys have it over here, is the little sun, and this one on this Soul Jam, it's the same thing, but it's a different button, right?
EcoCast receiving.
So I'm gonna turn it on first.
Speaker mode.
It's on speaker mode. And the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and make sure that you grab one phone and pair it to your main unit, because this one will be the one transmitting to the other units, right? So we want to go ahead and make sure that you pair the main one to your smartphone, and that will be the one that you can actually go ahead and make kind of like an array of, like, I think it's like 30 feet or something like that. You guys can actually, without breaking the Bluetooth connection, they will still play the same music from your phone. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go ahead and press this button. The unit will announce that it's transmitting, so pay attention.
EcoCast transmitting.
Okay, this one is transmitting and it's blinking red. We're going to turn on the second unit, or how many other units you have.
EcoCast transmitting.
This one also says transmitting. So what you guys want to do, it's basically just hit the button one more time.
EcoCast receiving.
It will announce receiving, and they will take like 5-10 seconds, and they will announce that they're
successful.
There you go. The connection is successful. So all you guys have to do right now is play some music. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some royalty-free music, so I don't get any issues with. Oh my God, this is way too loud. So I don't get any issues with YouTube. But the music, it's actually coming out of this unit, and at the same time, it's coming out of the EcoJourney. So this one's actually, that's how it works. No wires, no connections, right? So everything is Bluetooth, right? So all you guys have to do is press one button, and the units will actually talk to each other. So that's a very cool feature, and will allow you to pair up to 50 of them. Guys, I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, just smash the like button. And if you guys would like me to see, cover other products, just let me know in the comments. I'm really available. I'll answer to most of the comments, right? I think most of them at this time, I don't have that much traffic. So I'll be, it's up to you guys to actually go ahead and support the channel. And just to let you know, I really appreciate your time and your views. And if you have any questions for me, or how to use what I have showcased so far, you can actually reach me out on the videos. I will be more than happy to help you. And if you have an issue with the actual product of EcoXgear, just contact EcoXgear. Their customer service is amazing, and they will be most likely help you out with whatever issue you're experiencing. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate your support. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you. Bye-bye.